Just a quick heads up. If you sign up for NordVPN using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And this helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos, and I really appreciate it. Okay, to connect the other phone, we just go still again to look for Play Store. Click on it, and then you will now still search for NordVPN in this other phone in the household. Just search for NordVPN, and remember that we are going to use that our unique account we created to log this other one. All the devices of the house, you just look for NordVPN. Let me tap on it and then install. Click on install where you are seeing under here NordVPN, Nord Security. You just click on install, and that's the installation process of this other phone in the household that begins. And I repeat, you use the same account to connect this other phone, the same as you are going to see later on. Even your computers, you can still use the same account. That's it loading. You allow it to load. Then you see how with just one account, NordVPN makes things very easy for you to connect all your devices so that you can be invisible online. And really not only being invisible but protected online. And that's what normally using internet should be. You should not be exposed. NordVPN helps you to do so. That's in installing. You just need to be patient a bit. Just enable and then open. And then as it's loading, we just be patient as NordVPN is loading. Let's just be patient a bit. They say now you need to accept their terms. Click on accept, and then here now you sign up. Or if you like, you can just say you already have an account, you can log in. Depends on you. Either way, you move on. You can log in using that other account, and then you just land on the page where you can begin using it. Or you still sign up, you select that very Gmail we use to create the master account. You just click here, sign in with Google, and then I'm going to select that very Google. Since it's also connected on this device, I will now just scroll down, click on it. That very Google account I used to create the master account, the first login. I will connect all my devices. Let me click on it, and then we move on to protect this other device because we want to really be safe online. That is our aim here, making sure that you browse, but at the same time you are safe, all your data protected online, please. As it loading, just be patient, just click on continue, and you are in. You are in. You don't need to enter any payment, anything here. Just click on quick connect, and you are ready. See that this other device is protected instantly. Click on quick connect, enable. That's it. And then OK, accept. So that you can be connected. You click on OK, and you are in. Once you see green connected, means you are ready. That's it, up there connected, you are ready. Thank you.